So, and that is why Commander Gentle is there to defend his territory, to defend his people. Are you getting it? To stop this nonsense that is coming from the Fulanis, the strangers in the land, coming to intimidate and to torment. Let them remain in the north and do that nonsense. In our land, in our place. They shouldn't dare. We don't need them, we don't need them. Because with such character they are portraying, it's not a welcome call. In the eastern region, in the Biafra land, it's not a welcome call. We don't want it, we don't need it. How many times have you seen the Biafran, the Igbos going to the north, there in Sokoto, in Zamfara, farmland, surrendering the Fulanis or the house or their people with a
Commandant Gentle and flaunting newly purchased weapon for themselves, you know, as against, they say, the fight against the Nigerian military. But is this good enough? Do you not think that this will cause panic, you know, around the environment where they are, and at the same time, do you not think the Nigerian army will be, you know, angry at this type of, you know, show off on social media?
My beloved brother, I must tell you the truth. Your vice president have already said it. People of the land have to defend their land. I believe that the young man is in his land, defending his land, trying to defend it. Whether he portray new gun or not, or he portray maybe showing, showcasing. Listen and listen good. The only thing is that the hatred of Nigeria towards the Igbo people is much, and that is what even give the Igbos more upper hand. Look at those people. In case they don't know, I am telling them now. You understand? Because even Commander Gentle coming out suggesting this, trying to let Nigerian army or whosoever, it's only God and him that knows his mind, what makes him to be fronting and showcasing those weapons on social media, just like Boko Haram, the way those ones are doing, you know. It's only God that knows and him. But I believe that Gentle is defending his land, his motherland. He doesn't want the penetration and the oppression and the manipulation of the Fulanis, and the intimidation and humiliation of the Fulanis. Are you getting it? In their farmland, in the people, in his brothers, family, mothers, old, aged people of the land, the molesting, they are coming to molest them. So Gentle, I believe that Gentle is there to defend those people so that they will have their freedom. Was it not a few months ago, was it last 2 months, that on social media the thing went viral? Yeah, herdsmen with the gun. I don't know who purchased gun and give to them. And they use it to surround a man in Enugu State, in his farmland, rice farmland. And they order the cow to eat up those crops. Then I ask a question, who will pay? And ever since then till date, federal government have never said anything concerning that. Neither have they paid, nor the state government call Mba. Maybe, I don't know if he has said anything or do anything. And of which, if he has done such, the people would have said so. You understand? So, and that is why Commander Gentle is there to defend his territory, to defend his people. Are you getting it? To stop this nonsense that is coming from the Fulanis, the strangers in the land, coming to intimidate and to torment. Let them remain in the north and do that nonsense. In our land, in our place. They shouldn't dare. We don't need them, we don't need them. Because with such character they are portraying, it's not a welcome call. In the eastern region, in the Biafra land, it's not a welcome call. We don't want it, we don't need it. How many times have you seen the Biafran, the Igbos going to the north, there in Sokoto, in Zamfara, farmland, surrendering the Fulanis or the house or their people with a gun, then use cattle or collect their things, their property by force? Have you ever heard that Igbo man does that to them? Why should they live all the way from there? Do you know the kilometers from the north down to the east? And then you take the kilometer you left your place to come there to carry out such imperable thing, acts. You understand? So, with what Gentle is doing, Gentle is defending the land. I don't see it as any crime.
But you see the Nigerian army declare Gentle wanted, you know, I think 2 weeks ago. They were there in the southeast, ransacking everywhere, looking for every possible means to get Gentle. They said this is someone that has been killing the civilians and the military there in the southeast.
Point of correction, Gentle doesn't kill civilians. Gentle doesn't terrorize the civilians.
According to what I saw,
Commander Gentle doesn't terrorize the innocent.
They said it was even the people had to fled where it was, the location where he stayed.
Let me tell you.
They said he fled that location.
Listen and listen good. Gentle is not disturbing anybody. Commander Gentle is not disturbing innocent people, civilians. Let the Nigerian military come out openly and say the truth, because they have been living with the lies. You understand? If they say that Gentle has been disturbing them, the military, I will adhere that. In fact, I will welcome that. You understand?
Why should you do something like that?
Why should he do something? Then, excuse me, there are need, or there is a reason why him should do that, if he does that. Because when the military, what is the military looking for there? Why are they looking for him? What are they doing in that farmland, in that bush? What are they doing there? I ain't getting it. The military have their bases. Why can't they remain? Did the Gentle come to their base? And if Gentle come to their base, what did they do before he visit their base? Before he visit barrack? That means army might have in one way or the other hunt him or hurt him that makes him to come after them. No, we smoke without fire.
Okay, but what I'm trying to say is that they said where the location where is operating, innocent civilians
Now
have fled the village. They've left because they said
yes, my brother, there is a need for civilians to go. There is a reason, and there is a need for on this unequipped and untrained people to leave a vicinity whereby Nigerian uniform men are coming with a gun. Do you get what I'm saying? Why is it that every time in the East, the Nigerian military will go to the house and kidnap innocent people? Are you telling me, just like what Turji said, they know where these people is? Go there, go and visit him. You people should face yourself. You hold on, they hold on. You understand? But you see, always see Nigerian army. When these boys say like you sit at home now, are you getting it? You will not see Nigerian army, even on the road. Everywhere will be dry. Themselves will join and sit at home. Governor will join and sit at home. Senators will join and sit at home. Everybody will sit at home. At the end of the day, the next day you see them, weigh them. That is Nigerian system. If they say the thief, armed robber is operating here, call Nigerian police. They will tell you they are preparing to come. By the time they finish and go, operate, finish and go, you see Nigerian police. Weigh them. What happened ever since they call you? What have you been doing? You understand? So that has been their system. So let them go and look for Gentle and face Gentle. Let them stop using innocent people to defend themselves. That is why there is a place, a market now in Anambra State. Why is it that those soldiers are going there, always go there to go and block, put a load block and camp there? Why are they camping there? Because innocent people are there. So that they will use the opportunity to attack innocent people, even to sell that market. It's one of the biggest markets in Anambra. You understand? So that is where you always see them. So that if anything that we say is this boy, is this people. You understand? Go and meet them one-on-one. You people should sort yourself. You know where they are. Turji said it, the one terrorizing North. He made a statement of sort, saying that Buba and whatsoever, Christopher should come and face him. They know where they are. Are you telling me they don't know? They know. And they're not the three military personnel in Nigeria. They are. And they have the provision has been made available for them. So of which they have access to every distance in Nigeria. They should go and meet them over there and face them and leave innocent people.
Okay, so let's go to Tunji Bello. He said, because 3 of his men were recently called by the Nigerian army, Wugi, Abubakar Mohammed, and a name called Master. So he has said Musa and his men should come and meet. They know where he's staying. That they should come and let them have a one-on-one, first gun battle. Do you not think that truly the Nigerian military knows its location?
I believe so. I believe so.
They should go their end this once and for all, because this guy has put so many life, you know, kidnapped so many people there in Sokoto and
Listen
Zamfara.
to me. Listen and listen good. Take it or you leave it. I used to tell you people that this kidnapping of a thing is a political. It's political. The politicians are behind it. They are aware of what is happening. So Ludo have heard it all. Even if you release Musa nnamdikanu, insecurity continues. In the north, the current Zamfara governor even accused the former Zamfara governor that he was the chief of insecurity. You understand? The Superman, Matawale. So, and Tinubu employed him. He's working with Tinubu currently now. So, what are we then saying? Are you getting it? What are we saying? Now, Turji Bello said that they are chief of armed staff and chief of defense, Buba and Christopher, should do what? Should come, Musa. It should come. That they know where they are. It should come and let them face gun battle. And which is true. Let him go. Let them go. They are trained personnel. They have gun. They themselves have gun. Go and face each other. If you can. The people that they tell you that they have catch are innocent people, my brother. Take it or you leave it. Nigeria, everything in Nigeria, they never say, they don't speak truth. I'm telling you the fact. Take most all the things Nigeria are carrying out. No atom of truth inside, both the military, both the okay, the other one. They say we have key. There is one before. Shekau, God bless you. Do you know how many times Nigerian military come up that they have destroyed Shekau? Every day we have killed Shekau. We have killed Shekau. We Shekau die today, resurrect tomorrow. Then we kill Shekau, he will resurrect again. Shekau will die and resurrect again. For how many? For how long? For how long? Does it mean that Shekau is multiplying? Multiplying. Let them say the truth. They have never said the truth. And there's one thing I've discovered in this country. Nigeria are suffering big loss. Nigeria is suffering big setback in the military. Nigeria doesn't have enough well-equipped and well-trained soldiers currently as I'm talking to you. They have lost a lot of them. And those that quickly grab what is on the ground has flee out of the country. You see, Turji Bello now challenging, you understand, the chief of staff and chief of defense. They should come and face him one. They know and which is true. Let them face them. Let them go. If they really want to prove to us that they're yes, let them go. You understand? Let them stop all these lying things, deceiving, most of them. And now ask a question. This remind me of something. The repented Boko Haram that they included in the military, who later went away with the military major equipment. Where was the chief of staff, Musa, and the chief of defense, Buba? Where are two of these people? And their men. When Boko Haram, repented Boko Haram, that they included in the military, went away with the major military equipment, powerful arms equipment. They went away with even their bike and other things. They went away with it. Up to date, we did not hear anything. Case is closed. Military have never for one day looked for them. Military have never for one day declared them wanted. Military have never for one day searched for them. Not to talk of facing them, nor challenging them. That is the country we are in. So, my brother, let's forget what the military is coming to tell me and you on social media or to display on television. If they see the ones that are weak, people like us that don't have guns, maybe there is an issue. Military will come. See him. It's not today, my brother. Nigerian uniform men, they know how to tag innocent people. Is it today? They will tag you and give you a name that you
But
don't
according
know.
to Tinubu, they said the people that they caught were something years old men, elderly people.
People 70-something years old that is in the hospital taking treatment of long suffering of his youth. You understand? So that is coming to pay him back. The old man is in the hospital taking treatment to extend his life. That is the people that went and parade. Are you sure they even arrest them? Or they just capture them, snap them and display them. These are the people. What are you doing with the 70-something-year-old man? What will you do? A man that is very close to grave, that can die at any time. You understand? What are you doing with such a... In fact, anything and everything about this country is, in fact, is amazing. Let me use that word. It's amazing. May God show them mercy. My people over there are doing, they are following the process. They have proven it to the world. You understand? And they have presented the case. They have presented the vote. Are you getting it? UN are taking record of all these things. If you think they are not, they are taking the record, and we are pushing the record to them to prove to them what makes us qualify, what makes us believe in ourselves that yes, we are due. When Ghana had their independence, how many are Ghanaians? How many are there in population? Only Lagos. If they are grown now, there will be at numbering Lagos State. But they have their independence. So, and the Eastern and the Biafrans now, today as I'm talking to you, have over 15 million in population. So we have everything. Are you getting it? To have our independence. If you talk of population, if you talk of the voting, if you talk of everything, when you talk of economic, when you talk of leadership, when you talk of intellectual, when you talk of everything in every area, is it in the military? Go to America, you see the Biafrans controlling number one warlord ship captain is from Biafra. It's an Igbo man. In America, number one today as I'm talking to you, you get it. Simon Ekpan that you are talking about now, Simon Ekpan it was formerly a commander of chief of arm staff in Finland. He was a commander before he retired and joined politics in Finland. He was a commander, an Igbo man. You understand me? Check me. Go to many places. You see this. You see all my people. We are able to do in everything. We are able to do. Go to what is it called? This country is Israel. You will see Biafrans there, the Igbos there. Go to Russia. You see Igbos even in their military, in different departments, waxing strong. Go to Ukraine too. You see them waxing strong. Go to UK. You see them waxing strong. Igbos are not pushover. God bless you. I remember my humble self-evangelist. Benjamin Johnson is the only Biafran evangelist that speak the truth and nothing but the truth, which you all know and be confirming it up to this very day. I remember my humble self that Biafran Benjamin Johnson is Nachi. And I want, before I proceed, I would like to extend my regard to thank the viewers, because without you there will be no me, and without me you will not have a voice. Yes, you will not hear as they go from this channel. Glory be to God on that. I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night wherever you are watching us from. May God bless you all. Now I want to do this opportunity to touch some things based on what you is on the ground. Now listen and listen good. Only Europe, the Tinubu, Mr. President, the President of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, have the right to declare Biafra. As they said, yes, it's true. There is no argument on that. And at the same time, he have the right as well to say nnamdikanu to go. Yes, he have the right as well. But listen to me. And then they're saying that the UN doesn't have the right to declare Biafra in a sovereign country. Listen and listen good. There are things people don't understand. Who made North Korea and South Korea to become a sovereign state today of their own? Is it not from UN? What made the Southern Sudan and Northern Sudan today to be a sovereign state of their own? Is it not from UN? Then who made Congo DR Congo and Congo Republic? Today they're having about 3 or 4 Congos, if I'm not mistaken. Who made them a sovereign nation each? Is it not from UN? Who make the Equatorial Guinea, the Guinea and the Guinea Brazzaville and whatsoever, the Republic of Guinea, who made them independent each of a sovereign nation? Is it not from UN? Then who make Ireland, Iceland, Scotland, Ireland, and the rest, Wales and the other countries and other places, countries, a sovereign nation today? Is it not UN? Who make even Finland a nation of their own? Scotland, Slovakia, Slovenia, are you getting it? Serbia, Montenegro, Croatia, and the rest. All these things, all these countries break out from where? Even Ukraine too. From where? From Russia. Won't make them a sovereign nation. Is it not from UN? Now, there is something these people that are arguing this, they don't know. That is why I am pointing. There are many countries. Are you getting it? Like Australia, all these people break out. Even Nigeria to break out from where? From England. If you come to Cotonou, Mali, Senegal, Cameroon, Congo, and Niger, and the rest, they break out from where? They have their freedom from where? From the same place called France. Are you getting it? So if France not a sovereign nation, they are sovereign nation. Even when you talk of the war powers, you can't France. Are you getting it? And people break out from them. So what is the big deal about when it comes to Biafra? People, they don't know record, they don't know history, will begin to talk anyhow.